Welcome to our video on the production process of PVC steel wire reinforced hose. PVC hoses are used in a wide range of applications, from irrigation to construction, and the addition of steel wire reinforcement makes them stronger and more durable. Let's take a look at how these hoses are made. The first step in the production process is to gather the raw materials. PVC resin, plasticizers, stabilizers, and other additives are delivered to the factory and stored in silos and tanks. Next, the raw materials are mixed together in precise proportions using specialized equipment. This creates a PVC compound that is used to make the hose. The PVC compound is then fed into an extruder machine. This machine heats the PVC compound and pushes it through a die, forming the shape of the hose. As the hose is being formed, steel wire is also inserted into the hose. This gives the hose its strength and prevents it from collapsing under pressure. The newly formed hose is then cooled and cut to the desired length. It's now ready to be packaged and shipped out to customers. And there you have it, the production process of PVC steel wire reinforced hose. Thanks for watching. For more information about our products, please visit our website or contact us directly.